In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align and distribute elements perfectly in Canva. To start, make sure you already have your Canva design open and that you can see the elements you want to work with on your canvas. These might be text boxes, shapes, icons, or images. Precise alignment is what makes a design look clean and professional, so taking a moment to do this properly really pays off. First, click on the element you want to adjust. This could be a single text box or a graphic, but the key is that it needs to be selected so Canva knows which item you're trying to move. When you click once, you'll see a bounding box appear around that element, usually with little handles or circles on the corners and sides. That visual outline confirms your element is active and ready to be edited or repositioned. If you want to align one object relative to another, or to the entire page, you'll do that using Canva's built-in tools. After you've clicked on your element, look toward the top of the Canva Editor toolbar. There, you'll find an option labeled Position. This is the control center for both alignment and distribution. Go ahead and click on Position. When you do, a panel will open that gives you several options. You'll typically see choices like Align Left, Center, or Right, as well as Top, Middle, and Bottom. These options tell Canva exactly how you want that element lined up on the page or relative to other objects you have selected. If you're working with multiple elements, you can first select all of them by holding down Shift on your keyboard and clicking each item, or by dragging your mouse to create a selection box around them. Once they're all selected, clicking the Position button will let you align them as a group. This ensures everything sits in a perfectly straight line, whether horizontally or vertically. From the same Position panel, you can also access distribution tools when multiple elements are selected. These help you space items evenly, so there's consistent distance between them without having to eyeball the gaps. Take a moment to experiment with different alignment options after clicking on Position, and notice how quickly your design starts to look more polished and balanced with just a few precise moves.